In the cheerful town of Colortown, everything was bright. The trees were lime green, the clouds were bubblegum pink, and the houses were painted in every color of the rainbow. But one morning, something very strange happened. All the colors were gone. The sun was no longer yellow. The flowers were all gray. Even the polka dot puppies looked like old black and white photos. "Oh no," cried Reid the Marker, hopping out of the art box. "Where did all the colors go?" Penny the paintbrush swirled her tip and said, "Something must be terribly wrong in the color kingdom." So she gathered the others, Charlie the crane, Tess the tape, and Rollo the rainbow roller. Together, they formed the color crew, ready to solve the mystery. The color crew packed a pallet of snacks, jelly bean jelly and peanut paint toast, and headed to the edge of the color kingdom. Along the path, they saw signs that something wasn't right. Orange was hiding behind a traffic cone. Blue sat under a weeping willow, quietly crying. Red stomped past, muttering, "I'm always too loud. No one likes me." "Wait," said Penny. "Why are you all running away?" Orange sniffled. "We feel unappreciated. Everyone only uses the pretty colors. I'm just used for pumpkins and construction signs." Blue sighed. "They say I'm too sad. But I'm calming too. Lakes, skies, they forget how beautiful I can be." Red shouted, "People say I'm angry. I'm not angry all the time. I'm also love, and strawberries, and warm hugs." The color crew sat down with the primary colors under a big crane tree. Penny stood up and said, "Colors are like people, each one has feelings, each one has meaning. You're all important." Reid the Marker pointed at Red, "You're not just anger, you're courage and hearts." Charlie the crane hugged Blue. "You help people feel calm. And when they're sad, it's okay to cry." Tess the tape tickled Orange with a giggle. "You're sunshine, tigers, and giggles. We can't laugh without you." Slowly, Red smiled. Blue looked up. Orange stood tall. Back the color crew invited all the colors, green, purple, yellow, even shy beige, to a giant recoloring party. There was dancing on the paint splatter floor. Fruit juice was served from rainbow fountains. They all mixed and swirled into new shades. Magenta, teal, and coral joined the fun. As they laughed and painted together, the world around them began to change. Bouquet the flowers burst into color. Artist palette the sky returned to baby blue. Tree the tree shimmered with emerald leaves. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.